Alrighty, folks, let's get rolling. We already got a bunch of people here, so the squad's ready to go. So let's fucking get it. That's all I'm gonna say. It's Friday, and let's fucking get it.
Oh, we're already on the perfect teams.
Yeah, we got the good team, and
Okay, yeah, wow. Okay.
Way higher than yours.
Are we gonna swap channels so we don't hear comms, or doesn't matter?
I don't give a shit.
Yeah, no,
Not
fuck.
gonna
It makes it more
contact
entertaining. It
anyway.
makes it more entertaining. Yeah, fuck that.
Oh,
Huh?
hey, I see a mercy, guys.
No,
Counters.
shut up.
Take all the counters.
Wirt,
to
shut up.
mercy.
I bet Wirt's gonna be playing fucking Farah, bro.
Two tanks. What is this shit?
To be fair, you're fair a mercy.
Right?
That's super quinge.
No! Damn it.
Well, I have my ult, so I don't care.
Hey guys, mercy has ult.
Hey, good ult tracking, guys. Yeah, real good.
Oh, you think so?
Oh, they got pharmacy. Watch out.
Oh, you get fucked.
Oh, they got someone?
No! Bruh. Oh, yeah. Good move, good move.
No!
That moment when there's three people on the team.
Bruh. Oh, my lord.
Come on now.
Mercy, no. The fucking rule set and this fucking.
Damn it. This motherfucker goes tee.
Go Ryan.
Oh, fuck yeah. Okay, bet.
Alright, guys,
they're
they're
gonna
going
go
to
Ryan.
Ryan.
That's why we should
Bro.
switch voice chats.
No!
Hey, go Ryan.
Fuck you. Oh, you're so lame.
Get back,
Oh, that's so lame.
Bro, what rank is that?
Uh,
What's the game plan?
hey, fuck you. The game plan is fuck you. Breeze? Vic, what do you guys think?
Ryan.
Yes.
Maga. It's Maga and Azaria.
Oh, get off my stream, you bitch! Oh, no! That's cheap! That's cheap! That's a low blow! Wow! Oh wow, what a surprise.
Oh man.
Mark, I know where you live,
Fucking hate.
so don't do that.
I hate him so fucking much as this fucking
What?
fat ass. Just keep blocking me every fucking time.
I love me some fat ass.
Come on! That's
Burn this man! Burn him! Come on, get that motherfucker! Get that motherfucker!
Yeah! Ah! Wait, guys, the payload.
Season 4 Breeze. Season 4 Overwatch 1 Breeze is coming out.
Alright guys, we just gotta group up.
Bitch ass.
Word, leave me alone! Leave me
Why
alone!
would you have my ult? Why would I leave you alone?
Because I know where you live.
What a valid
You
threat.
will,
I
as
know
in,
where you live.
In the future, I will know where you live one day.
There you go.
Nice, that was good. That was good. Yeah,
I don't
that's
see any
another.
on it. Look at, I'm 19 and 7. You're 9 and 8.
I fucking hate you.
No!
You bitch!
Damn it!
Bro, this
Okay.
shit's easy. Yo.
It's the other Quebecer.
Whoa, dude.
Oh, yeah.
You can't just say that shit.
What do you mean?
Québec représente. No!
Oh no! Oh
The
no!
monkey.
Where are you going, senor?
Yelling about
I
it.
had to. Oh!
Like
Oh
weird.
my.
Push him on the meat! Push him on the meat!
Alright.
No!
Wait, that's all I can do! He's all fucking dead!
No, the grab.
Alright. I'm not taking that one.
Are we
Alright.
swapping the teams? Are we
Do we
shuffling?
want to swap, or what do we want to do?
You do whatever you want.
Yeah, no, that was pretty easy.
What? All right, now run it back, run it back, run that shit back.
Yeah, let's give them a chance. Let's swap the teams.
Now after that
Oh my
comment,
God.
no, run that shit back.
I can smell the Bastion Mercy Soldier on the top of the bridges from here.
Well, you're wrong.
Yeah, I heard Wirt has a good sniffer on him.
Sniff, sniff.
Bro, what? Oh my god.
That's bad.
Nice tree. It's a very nice greenery you put up around here.
Recharging, don't die.
Steve out.
God, she's so fucking low, dude. Believe we were half. I got sucked into that somehow. It's okay though.
Fuck you.
We're not gonna be friends after this game, just so you know.
Yeah,
Sounds good to me.
I'm gonna try
Wow.
something up.
Damn, are you our friendship that lowly? That's fucking insane. That is actually insane.
Hey, Word's got some new friends now.
Oh wow.
Coali's coming, huh?
Bruh. This is
Yeah, we'll just go
pathetic.
for Echo every time.
Oh wow. That's fucked.
Let's get the weak one out first.
Wow.
Like we were having the back.
No, I'm full.
I swear to God.
Oh my god, Wart behind.
Did you do that?
Yes, I did. With no shame.
Okay. Well, I still have to give you a birthday gift. Well, you won't have one anymore. There you go. No birthday gift for you.
Port.
Wow. Not a very good friend.
Nope, I'm not a good friend.
Oh. Oh, you.
Yeah, I guess they
Fucking
they're all
whore.
amazing.
That's kind of insane. You know what? That's kind of
Okay.
fucking insane.
T'avais combien de vie? T'avais combien de vie?
J'avais quand même beaucoup de vie, hein, j'étais pas tant bas.
Non, non, oui, t'étais bas à la fin.
Eh ben, j'ai même pas remarqué.
Why am I so
Va
fucking
chier.
slow in this stupid ass game mode, dude?
Laisse-moi tranquille, I swear!
Mais non,
No.
c'est ma job.
Hey,
Bye bye, bitch.
whoever killed Word,
I
my
got.
new best friend. There you
I
go,
killed
you're my
him.
new best friend. There you go. Fuck you, Word. You got just got replaced.
Jeez, bro.
Wow.
Custom games is a friendship killer, I guess.
It's the new Monopoly.
Oh shit, they're up top.
Oh.
Petit ours brun.
Saute, saute, les pieds joints, petit ours brun. Toutes
On
ces
parlera pas de tes amis.
Life Weaver's half.
No, I swear. Don't. Why are you going this? Where do you, guys?
What are you guys?
Va fanculo.
Christo,
Yes.
si tu nous laisses gagner,
Oui.
je vais.
Prends-moi pas des pieds dans le con, petit
On va y arriver. Finis ta phrase.
Ma phrase est finie, là. Je vais, I
Je veux
swear,
pas compris,
je vais être la meilleure amie du monde. Tu
Ah,
me laisses gagner, please. Si, I swear, fais juste arrêter de me tuer, s'il te plaît. J'aimerais ça, genre, vivre.
Oui. Wait.
je peux rien faire.
Wait. Croissant.
Are you going to finish that croissant?
Yeah, croissant.
Croissant.
Someone kick him out of this
Croissant.
word.
Exactly.
Yeah, good luck with that.
Good fucking job. Good job, Dragon.
Thank you.
Croissant.
Taking over
Thank
here.
you.
I don't speak Canadian.
Oh, he's won.
Yeah,
Oh.
stupid.
Do you know how to play?
Best thing ever.
No, I don't know how to play. What the fuck is this?
What's going on? What?
I'm getting mad.
Don't get mad. Be glad.
Be mad at the person who picked fucking Orisa. Yeah, but I could see the Orisa in front of me. It's a giant four-legged fucking robot. How the fuck am I gonna miss that?
Alright, well, who do you want me to play then?
I don't know. I don't care.
He's already.
Okay. Word.
We can touch, contest.
No, we cannot.
Okay, never mind.
Are you sure about that?
Bro,
Reverse
damage
burning?
me.
Both tanks burning. I hate you.
Damn, the violence.
I hate you. There's no other word.
Get this!
I hate
Get her!
Oh.
Ankle. I thought we were friends. If only I knew how to aim. Oh,
Oh fuck.
you.
No.
Word, get it. Oh my god.
Damn it! Bruh.
nope.
Oh god, they're just down to 2 tanks. Oh shit, 1 tank.
Where's he at?
Yeah, where you got him, bro? Oh.
She's close right. She's close right. Yo, the rare Arcanum fucking
No.
fucking Ramatra.
Ankles one.
Insane gameplay incoming.
You got it.
He might, bro. He might.
You got
Oh,
Down,
no.
stay on.
Oh, shit.
Where is Cena guiding me to?
Bro, I don't know, but
Where is it guiding me to?
no.
Hello, mate.
Oh, what's up, bro?
Okay,
is Ram so
Hinder fucked me.
fucking
Hinder
low?
fucked me.
Oh.
Hinder fucked me.
Damn it.
Dang, bro. What's going on? Look at this, dude. Look at this triple here. This triplet. This
this
triplet going on right now.
Oh my god.
It's the beginning of the game.
See, that's where I saw you. That's where I saw you as a Orisa, so you can't fucking call me out.
That's alright. I forgive you.
Vic,
Oh.
I wanna be with you.
Alright, I gotta go pet a dog. I'll see you guys later.
Alright, take it
Yeah,
easy.
I have to go pet the same dog.
You're not touching Bailey, dog.